my channel. My name is Tanvi Sukharam Doshi and today is Tutorial Tuesday. In today's Tutorial Tuesday, what we are going to learn is my favorite because these are tricks and hacks which are viral on internet for makeup. I love makeup, so this is my favorite thing. In today's Tutorial Tuesday, we are going to try out few hacks and tricks for makeup, starting from the base to the end product. So it's going to be too much fun, and without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. As you guys know, in today's Tutorial Tuesday, we are going to try out few viral hacks regarding makeup which are all over the internet, and I'm pretty excited to try it because it looked very finished when I checked out on other influencers who have tried it too, so I really wanted to try it for myself. The first hack which I'm going to try out today in Tutorial Tuesday is the new technique of applying the whole base, and I really saw it on a couple of influencers trying this out and it looked very finished and really good on the skin. So I'm going to try it out for myself and see if it works, and if it works you guys can also try it because it is fun. Okay, so let's quickly get into it. First thing first, for today's hack is wash your face clean and then apply moisturizer. I'm going to be using Glam Glow waterburst. Once you're done applying your moisturizer, take your translucent powder. I am using this Huda Beauty one in the shade Blondie. Take a very little of your translucent powder in this makeup brush and just dab it over the skin very gently. Also, do not forget to apply your SPF post your moisturizer. I forgot to shoot that step, but I used the Neutrogena one. Once this step is done, take your primer. I'm using the Vitamin C Skin Boost by The Body Shop. Once you're through this step, you have to apply your foundation. I'm using the SmashBox Studio Skin 24-hour Hydra Foundation. One tip while applying your foundation, do not forget to apply your foundation on your neck, otherwise your skin tone looks very uneven from the face to the neck below. You want it to be even toned, right? You can use your brush, but I'm using this blending sponge from Sephora. Wow, so this application for real looks so good. I'm just going to zoom in a little so you guys can see it. I'm not finishing the whole look right away because we are going to try a couple of hacks and I don't want to keep washing my face again and again for the new hack, so I have planned it accordingly. So the first hack was applying the base using the translucent powder first and then the primer, and then you apply your foundation. Now the second hack is going to be about how to contour. It's a different technique and I will be trying it for the first time too, so stay with me. For this hack you guys can use any liquid or the creamy contour. I'm going to be using this Sephora Best Skin Ever in the shade 49. So in this hack what we'll do is work, you have to apply your contour cream or your liquid contour on the exact edge of your chin and also leave a gap in your face. Then using a blending brush or a blending sponge, start blending it upward and downward. And then set it using a setting powder. This is a big thumbs up, and now moving on to the next hack. I have already done this hack before in a separate Tutorial Tuesday, but I'm going to quickly do it right now also because since we are doing the whole makeup look and I have planned the hacks and tricks accordingly. First was for the base, second was the contour, and now third is going to be the highlight. For this hack I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 22N Light Neutral, and then keep blending it with your sponge or again your brush. Wow, this skin looks so flawless and also it does not look too much makeup, and I think it's going to set for more time and maybe stay for the whole day without creasing because of the technique which we used in the beginning for the base. Jumping on to the next technique, which is the blush technique. You can use any of your liquid blushes or your cream blush, but I'm going to use the SuperStary ink Crayon, which is my lip shade. Apply it on your apple. sponge and ta-da! So guys, this hack is also a thumbs up. The liquid blush or the creamy lip shade, whatever you prefer, you can use it. Next, we're going to move on to the face contour, and for that face contour and the eye highlight, what we're going to do is something very interesting and get an instant uplift to your eyes and your cheekbones. You can use any highlighter, but I'm using this two-faced highlighter born this way in the shade light beige. Take a good amount of highlighter and put it here. Again, take your contour stick or your contour liquid. I am using the Sephora, the same one. Leave a little space where you can see your blush and then immediately apply your contour. Using a smaller sponge for blending this in, because then you can use any of your face mist on this and just try to get a little bit of water out, but not too much that the whole moisture is lost. Then start blending this. You always go from the lighter to the darker shade and then go down on the darker shade and blend that in. Do you see this instant uplift to my face? Oh my god. So guys, for me this hack also really works. This was the eye highlighting and cheek uplifting hack, which works very great. I love it. We will finish it in the end with the translucent powder, but for right now I don't want to filter it or skip any part. I just want to show you guys exactly how it turns out. So I think this hack works. This looks perfect to me. It looks very natural, and also my cheekbones look very uplifted and my eyes look very bright. Moving on to the next hack is for the eyelashes. I have already got my winged eyeliner done. We don't have the exact tools to do it, so we will try it out next time, maybe in next tutorial Tuesday. So moving forward in this video, we are going to uplift our eyelashes. I don't know, this is viral on internet, but how much does this work, I don't know yet. So we are going to try out together. Again, you guys can use any mascara, but I'm using Too Faced Damn Girl. I love this mascara because it gives a natural lift to your eye. According to the hack, what it says is first you have to take your eyelashes in a slant way. Makes no sense, but we are going to try it. Take it on the side first. I don't know what's happening, but you just take it on the side and then you take more of your mascara and okay, so this is one, and now we are going to try the normal way so we understand if there is any difference or not, because I clearly don't understand yet, but I'm going to try out the normal way. I always mess it up. Has anyone noticed we look so funny when we do our mascara? Okay, so this was the normal way. Let's just zoom in a little bit and check it out. I think this works. I mean, this has so much of volume, and look at this one. It looks a little flat. This looks like fake lashes, but you guys saw me doing it. I think this hack also really works. Let me just quickly do this the right way. Guys, this hack really works and I love it. I mean, wow. I don't know who started this trend, but I saw it on a couple of influencers trying it out. Some said it didn't work and some said it did. So I had to try it myself, and I clearly agree that if you use the right mascara, wow, this is bomb. So now quickly moving on to the final hack of this video, which is the lip shade hack. It is particularly the red lip shade hack. I don't know why, but I think you can try out any, but we are going to try out the red because it will be more evident. I think it's called the red lip shade hack, but we are going to quickly try it. What you need is an earbud. Just place it. Finally I can talk. So this is a fail, but we are going to fix it. So So the red lipshade hack was a big time fail, guys. It did not work out that well because there was no finishing, but we fixed it anyway. And I love today's makeup. I enjoyed actually shooting today's video because it was so much fun to show you guys from the start to the end. Almost tried each and every hack for each and every step of the makeup, and these are some new techniques which are very viral on internet, and all of them worked really except for the one which was the red lip shade hack. It did not work out that well, but you can definitely try out all the other hacks. They work really well. The finishing of the skin looks so bomb. Also, do not forget to finish your whole look using a setting powder and a makeup fixer. Get to spray some mist and set your makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I did shooting it, because we got to try all the hacks from the base to the final look. It was amazing. Only one hack did not work, which was the red lip shade hack, but that's fine. It's just one hack which did not work. You guys can definitely try out all the other hacks and let me know in the comment if it worked for you as well. And if you guys want me to try out few more viral hacks from internet, do mention it in the comment. Also let me know if you want me to do any video on any particular topic. I can do it for you guys. And last but not the least, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys next on Thursday. Bye bye.